In this video, I'll show you how to change MSI laptop's keyboard color. First, you'll need to install the SteelSeries Engine. Most MSI gaming laptops come with this software, which allows you to control the RGB keyboard settings. If it's not pre-installed, you can easily download it from the official MSI or SteelSeries website. Once you've installed the software, open the SteelSeries Engine. It should automatically detect your MSI laptop's RGB keyboard, making it easy to customize your settings. Now, let's customize your keyboards. Look for your device in the dashboard of the SteelSeries Engine. Click on your keyboard to access the customization options available to you. The next step is to choose your desired lighting effects. You can select from a variety of preset options, such as breathing, wave, or static colors. If you want to get more specific, you can also go to the Illumination tab for full customization. After you've chosen your colors and effects, don't forget to click Apply to save your changes. Your keyboard should now reflect the new colors and lighting effects you've selected. Finally, if you want a quick way to toggle through preset lighting modes, you can use the function key combined with F9 or F10 on some MSI laptops. Just keep in mind that this may vary based on your laptop model. And that's it. Changing the keyboard color on your MSI laptop is a simple process that can enhance your gaming experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, subscribe.